Alright, video editors, let me let you in on a little secret. If you're not using Caster captions yet, you're missing out, big time. You know how adding captions is usually the most boring, time-sucking part of editing? Well, Caster just flips that on its head. With one click, Caster Captions auto-generates super accurate subtitles for your vids. No more painstaking typing, no more fixing endless typos. It even picks up those weird background noises and keeps your captions clean. Plus, the interface? So clean and easy, I barely needed a tutorial to get started. But here's the real game changer, customization. Caster lets me tweak fonts, colors, and animations, so my captions look exactly how I want. No bland, generic subtitles here. Whether I'm making fast-paced jump cuts or a cinematic vlog, my captions always match my style. And let's face it, captions aren't just for accessibility anymore. They boost watch time, engagement, and make your videos pop on social media. Since switching to Caster, my workflow's faster, my edits are cleaner, and honestly, I'm spending more time on the creative stuff I love. So if you want to level up your editing game, give Caster Captions a shot. Trust me, once you do, you'll never look back.